Well, first off, my son reminds me of him because my son looks like him, and especially the mannerism. Yeah. So I get to see that like every day. When I was in my lowest, he called me every day, and he guided me through it. He guided me through it. Happy birthday, Papi. Thank you for always being the steady anchor of our family and the reliable strength. Wishing you more years ahead, and I love you.
He's nice, strong, and compassionate. He's supportive. I'm really close to my papi. He held me since I was a baby. Happy birthday, papi. I wish I can spend you another 80 years with you. Thank you so much, papi. I love you.
As I said, he's visionary, and most importantly, he's very kind and generous, especially during times when my family needed help. And he's always been there to help us. Happy birthday, Bob! We love you!
One word that I would describe him is strong. At his age, I'm very impressed. He's very strong. As a father, he's compassionate, understanding. What I admire most about him is his work ethic, in not just in business, in work, also in personal life. Happy birthday, Papi. I love you. My biggest wish to you is another 80 years.
His love is quiet. He isn't really expressive, but he would let you know through his actions. Di kasi siya masyadong verbal eh. Kahit sumemplang siya, ayaw niya aminin na nasaktan siya. It shows his resiliency. I know that in his mind, supportive siya. He might not say it, pero alam mo yun. Pero I know na through whatever things we might be going through, he's just behind us. Happy birthday, Pa. Thanks for all the support you've shown throughout the years and more years to come. I love you.
Tito is a good provider. But I think ano naman siya, very supportive sa family niya. Happy 80th birthday, Tito. I hope you maintain your good health. I admire your work ethic and I hope you stay happy and healthy. Thank you for welcoming me into the family.
45 years na kaming magkasama at magkaibigan. Well, it's because it's the best relationship, friends. Nakikita ko na I have somebody na kaibigan. Uli, balik sa kaibigan na through thick and thin, magkaibigan kayo. Happy birthday, partner!
M7 is very caring and very attentive to everybody. Well, for me, he is the best uncle that I've ever had. Hi, Tito Ben. You remember me? Anyway, it's 80 years, and I hope you're still looking good, and I hope you keep it up for the next 80 years. We'll see you again. I love you, Tito Ben. Happy birthday.
My Uncle Ben's very generous and he's like the life of the party. He's just like the favorite uncle of the Yalongs, and everybody looks forward to seeing him. Hi, Tito Ben. I don't know what to say. I think you're the man who has everything, and the only thing I can wish for is more blessings to you and better health and joy. And of course, your legacy in continuing what you love doing and helping people and serving the church. Just continue. You're on the right track. In your own little way, you're reaching out for the purpose of God. And now, the blessings trickling down on you. Pagpatuloy nyo lang, and you have many more birthdays to come, Tito Ben. God bless you po. I love you very much. Sir.
And M7 has done a lot to accomplish where he is now. M7 is not just a brother. He's so close to me that he's virtually part of my family. We're not just close. He's like my son. Ben, I love you at the bottom of my heart. Let's keep the love burning together. Love you too. Love you very much. Bye-bye.
So as a grandfather, he's also like a father na rin. He's very generous, of course. Alam naman natin lahat yan. He's there to guide you also. So, Papi, happy 80th birthday. I wish you more and more birthdays to come. Yeah, we love you. We appreciate everything that you do. Thank you for everything, and again, happy birthday.
His faith is enormous. He loves God, he loves Jesus, he loves Mama Mary, and that is something that I really admire about him. As a father, he's someone who's grounded. He puts his children together always. He puts his priority above everything. He puts his family first, and he looks after us all the time. I don't exactly have a specific memory about him. The memory that I have with him is every day. Every day that we're together at work, every day that I see him, or just plainly anywhere that we are together is a memory to me. Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. I may not say it often, but you know very much that I love you in my heart. I also want you to know that I thank you very much for everything that you've done for me and my children. And I'm beyond grateful for everything that you are to me. I love you so much, Papa. Happy birthday.
Just perfect. No, he may not be that, but I know he has so much love for us, for his family. He's a provider. He's a provider in terms of diligence. He taught his children to be very hardworking. Sabi nga niya sa akin noon anak, yung kayamanan, mawawala yan, masusunog yan. Pero yung laman ng utak mo, yun ang mapapamana ko sa iyo na hindi mananakaw sa iyo. I can remember that. Papa, I love you. I love you with all my heart, and I want you to know that I'll be here for you. I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you and Mommy. And I'll be right here if you need me. Just give me a call. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Ang first time na tawagan namin talaga, mahal. All of a sudden, naging pa, darling. Ang huli naming tawan, Tandy. You know what this mean? Tandy? Tanda. Ang favorite, marami siyang favorite na food na luto ko. So, ang paborito niya is kilayin, dinuguan, sinigang sa bayabas na bangus. Marami siyang paborito. Masyado niya akong in-spoiled. Hindi ako marunong magbayad ng kuryente. Hindi ako marunong magbayad ng tubig, everything. Wala akong alam dyan. Na-spoiled lang niya ako talaga. Si M7, mabait as mabait. Nung Mother's Day, basta maganda yung message niya sa akin. Ang sinabi lang niya na, basta na-appreciate lang niya yung mga ginagawa ko for the family. Meron siyang time sa mga anak ko, kahit busy-busy siya sa pelikula niya. Meron siyang time sa mga anak niya. Meron siya talagang panahon. Pag nag-out of town kami, lahat kami malilit pa yung mga bata. Hanggang sa paglaki ng mga bata, Friday pa lang, wala na kami. Naka-ready siya for the kids na out of town, abroad, binibigay naman niya. Kaya yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya dahil hindi siya nagpabaya sa pamilya niya. Talagang pamilya siya. Meron siya talagang sa pamilya niya. Happy birthday, Tandy! Ang wish ko sa iyo na magsama pa tayo ng matagal. Si Lord, malakas ka sa Kanya. Yun lang ang gusto ko sa iyo. I love you.